This is what you made, sucker. Look at your thoughtful demise. No pun intended, but swallow your pride. I've landed on a planet, god damn it, they just thought it would die. But you will never see me fall from the sky. How the hell is the game doing? I'm crushing these lanes. I'm sitting on my throne, surprised at all the things that money has changed. Lost my crew that I had, and my girl prior to that, and I'm still trying to get adjusted to fame. October 13th is where it began. Never, it's where it's ending. There's no end in the existence of a legend. Bow down to the future, bruh, cause we about to do it up. This year we got the music industry like, yo, who's this punk? And I just know my city got vision. They see me at Mars, and I ain't trying to be Drake, but there's more seats in the car. I'm looking at the future and I'm eager and I'm passionate, so I'ma put my flag up on this planet, cause I landed
just landed. I'm landed. I'm landed. I'm landed. I am the flagship. Black, black, flagship. Black, black, flagship. Black, black, flagship. I am just landed. I'm landed. I'm landed. I'm landed.
flagship. Still riding down my road to this greatness. Still embarrassing these dudes that are supposedly famous. Still riding around the city while I'm watching my back, cause stupid kids think I'll be down like that. It's crazy, I noticed as I moved through my ends and started gaining more fame, I started losing my friends. As I lifted to fame, they were quick to complain, and now these hipsters and lames be quick to thinking I changed. Like, where's the old pride? I can't feel D, this is what I wanted to be.